Every morning, millions of people crack a few eggs into a pan, believing they're making one of the healthiest choices possible. And in many ways, they are. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and nutrients that support your brain, muscles, eyes, and immune system. But here's something most people never hear. Sometimes the problem isn't the eggs, it's what goes on the plate beside them. The wrong breakfast combination can cause rapid blood sugar spikes, leave you feeling hungry sooner, increase inflammation, and over time may work against many of the health benefits eggs have to offer. The good news? A few simple changes can transform your breakfast into a meal that supports your heart, metabolism, and overall health. Today we're revealing 3 foods you should think twice about eating with eggs, and we'll also show you healthier alternatives that help you get the most from every bite. Stay until the end, because the last pairing surprises many people, and if you're over 50, it could make an even bigger difference to your long-term health. Why eggs are so healthy. Before we look at the foods, let's first understand why eggs deserve their reputation as one of nature's most complete foods. A single egg contains complete protein, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for repairing muscles, producing enzymes, and maintaining healthy tissues. Eggs are also one of the richest natural sources of choline, a nutrient many adults don't get enough of. Choline helps your brain produce acetylcholine, a chemical messenger involved in memory, learning, and muscle control. They're also loaded with vitamin B12, selenium, vitamin D, riboflavin, and antioxidants called lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect your eyesight as you age. Perhaps most importantly, eggs are naturally satisfying. The combination of protein and healthy fats helps you stay full longer, making it easier to avoid unnecessary snacking later in the day. Modern research has also changed how experts view eggs. For most healthy people, eating eggs in moderation does not appear to significantly increase the risk of heart disease. Instead, the overall quality of your diet matters much more than focusing on one food alone. That's why choosing the right foods to eat alongside eggs can make such a difference. Let's start with the first breakfast mistake. Food number 1, white bread and refined carbohydrates. For many people, eggs simply don't feel complete without toast. It's one of the most common breakfasts in the world. But not all bread is created equal. White bread, white rolls, sugary pastries, and many processed breakfast foods are made from refined flour. During processing, much of the fiber and nutrients are removed, leaving behind starch that your body digests very quickly. When you eat these foods, your blood sugar rises rapidly. Your pancreas responds by releasing insulin to move that sugar into your cells. Eggs themselves don't cause this rapid rise in blood sugar. In fact, thanks to their protein and fat, eggs have very little effect on blood glucose. The issue comes when refined carbohydrates dominate the meal. Instead of providing steady energy, your breakfast may become a roller coaster. You experience a quick burst of energy, followed by a drop that leaves you hungry again only a few hours later. If this pattern repeats day after day, it may contribute to weight gain and make blood sugar control more difficult, especially for people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. This doesn't mean you should never eat bread again. The goal isn't perfection, it's making smarter choices. Instead of white toast, consider options like whole grain bread with plenty of fiber, steel-cut oats, sweet potatoes, or even better, fill half your plate with colorful vegetables, spinach, mushrooms, tomatoes, bell peppers, broccoli. These foods add fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, while helping create a more balanced meal. Another great addition is avocado. Its healthy fats pair naturally with eggs and help keep you satisfied for even longer. The key lesson here is simple. Eggs work best as part of a balanced breakfast, not one overloaded with refined carbohydrates. Now let's move to the second food. This one surprises many people because it's often advertised as a healthy breakfast choice. Yet depending on how it's consumed, it may not be the best partner for your eggs. When most people picture a healthy breakfast, they imagine 2 eggs, a glass of orange juice, and maybe a slice of toast. It looks wholesome. It feels healthy. But what happens inside your body tells a different story. Let's be clear. Fruit is good for you. Whole fruits provide vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that support your health. The problem isn't the fruit. The problem is the juice. When fruit is turned into juice, much of its natural fiber is removed. That fiber normally slows down how quickly sugar enters your bloodstream. Without it, you're drinking a concentrated source of natural sugars that your body absorbs much faster. Think about this. One orange is filling. Most people are satisfied after eating it. But a single glass of orange juice may contain the sugar from 3 or 4 oranges, and it takes only a few minutes to drink. Your body receives a much larger sugar load in a very short time. For healthy people, this isn't necessarily dangerous. But if it becomes a daily habit, especially alongside an already carbohydrate-heavy breakfast, it may contribute to excess calorie intake, higher triglycerides, and poorer blood sugar control over time. That's not the best environment if you're trying to lose weight, improve insulin sensitivity, or protect your heart. Eggs naturally help you stay full, but washing them down with a sugary drink may reduce that advantage by increasing your total calorie intake without adding much satiety. Instead, try drinking water, sparkling water with lemon, unsweetened green tea, black coffee without excessive sugar, or simply eat the whole fruit instead of drinking it. An orange, an apple, a handful of berries. The fiber helps slow digestion, supports your gut bacteria, and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. One simple swap can make your breakfast much more satisfying. Now, let's move to the final food, and this one may upset some people, because for decades, it's been considered the classic breakfast combination. Food number 3, bacon, sausage, and other processed meats. Few breakfasts are as famous as bacon and eggs. Restaurants serve it, hotels serve it, families have enjoyed it for generations. So why are nutrition experts encouraging people to rethink this combination? The answer isn't the eggs, it's the processed meat. Foods like bacon, many breakfast sausages, ham, and some deli meats are considered processed meats. To improve flavor, color, and shelf life, many are cured using salt, preservatives, and compounds called nitrates or nitrites. Research has consistently linked high consumption of processed meat with an increased risk of colorectal cancer, cardiovascular disease, and several other chronic illnesses. That doesn't mean eating bacon once in a while guarantees poor health, but making processed meat part of your everyday breakfast may not be the best long-term habit. Another concern is sodium. Many processed breakfast meats contain surprisingly high amounts of salt. Too much sodium may contribute to high blood pressure in people who are sensitive to it. They're also often high in saturated fat and calories, depending on how they're prepared. Then there's cooking. When bacon or sausage is cooked until heavily browned or burnt, compounds known as heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons can form. These compounds have been studied because of their potential health risks. This doesn't mean you should panic every time you cook breakfast, but it does remind us that how we prepare food matters just as much as what we eat. Instead of processed meats, choose lean, minimally processed proteins. Grilled chicken, turkey breast, fresh fish, smoked salmon with lower sodium, or simply let the eggs be the star of the meal. Pair them with colorful vegetables, fresh herbs, avocado, beans, or a side of roasted sweet potatoes. These combinations provide more fiber, more antioxidants, and far less sodium. Your heart and your future self will thank you. What should you eat with eggs? Now that we've talked about 3 foods worth limiting, let's focus on what you should eat. Because healthy eating isn't about constantly avoiding foods. It's about making better choices more often. Some of the best companions for eggs include leafy greens like spinach and kale, tomatoes packed with lycopene, mushrooms, which provide important nutrients and pair beautifully with eggs, bell peppers rich in vitamin C, avocados for healthy fats, beans and lentils for extra fiber and plant protein, whole grains like oats or true whole grain bread if you enjoy carbohydrates. These foods complement the nutrients already found in eggs instead of competing with them. They help create a breakfast that's filling, balanced, and rich in vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and fiber. That's a breakfast designed to keep your energy steady throughout the morning. In conclusion, eggs have been unfairly blamed for decades. Today, we know they're one of the most nutritious foods available for most healthy adults. The real question isn't whether eggs are healthy, it's what you're eating alongside them. Small, daily choices matter. Choosing vegetables instead of processed meat, whole fruit instead of fruit juice, whole grains instead of refined white bread. These simple swaps may seem small today, but over months and years, they can make a meaningful difference to your heart health, blood sugar, weight management, and overall well-being. Remember, healthy eating isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. One balanced breakfast at a time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Health Fix now, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest evidence-based health tips. And before you leave, tell us in the comments, what do you usually eat with your eggs? Your answer might inspire someone else to build a healthier breakfast tomorrow.